Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my new Louis Vuitton Speedy 25, the bandolier. So I will just open it immediately for you to see, and I will give you my first impression about this bag. This is the Louis Vuitton. Let me open it already. That's it. Like this, usually do like this, and you have it. This is the Speedy 25, the bandolier. This is the inside. It is brown. It came with a strap, and the strap is adjustable. It came with this lock and a key in this small bag. Let me show it for you to see. This is the lock and the key. And this is a D-ring for your key. You can clip your key here. The other side is a pocket with a zip. There's a small paper inside. Let me see what is inside. It's a Louis Vuitton Paris. It is really small, not that big, and you can carry this bag as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody. The strap is a 3-piece strap. This is 1, this is 2 and 3. So if you want to carry it as a shoulder bag, you just need 2 straps. You take this one, attach it with this, then you have now just one to clip it on the D-ring at the side, other side, and you have a shoulder bag. Just to carry it like this as a shoulder bag. And if you want your crossbody, you can just add this one with the other 2, then you have the long strap for a crossbody. And the same Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. I've already checked everything. It came in a very perfect condition. I'm saying so because I ordered this bag about 4 weeks ago. The bag came to me. I had a problem with the bag. The leather on the strap was very thin. I did like this. And a week later, I saw the bag was cracking on one side of the top handle. So I decided to bring it to their one of their shop around me. They told me they can't give me a new one. They have to send it to their warehouse. I said, okay, it's fine with me. So after about 2 weeks, they sent this bag to me. And today, I decided to open it for you guys to see. I've already done all my tests. Everything is intact. There is no issue with this bag now. And I know already that I'm going to keep the bag because I've been searching for this bag like for ages. I'm so happy I got one. and I will stick with it, and I'm hoping I will use this bag till maybe the time that I don't want it. Maybe I can pass it to my daughter or to my sister or whatever, I don't know. But for now, my first impression, I would say it is gorgeous, perfect, the perfect size. I prefer this size more than the Speedy 30 because I have the Speedy 30 in damier ebene. For now, I would say it is too big for me. The time I bought that Speedy 30, at that time I loved big bags, but now I'm for small bags. I prefer to carry small bags now. I don't know why. Maybe things changes. It's the time. So I love this bag, and I will try not to baby this bag because, you know, the leather here, it is really, it's not carefree, but I will try not to baby the bag. I will make another video to show you how to protect the handle. I already have an idea. I will buy a spray wearing this lock. I will not put it on my back. I have a necklace here, a chain. I will be wearing it as a necklace. This is how I'll be doing it. This is how I'll be wearing this lock. It's not cute. It's gorgeous, very unique. I'll not put it there to waste it. I would prefer to wear it like this, to have something different. I don't know, what do you think? Do you like it? If you like it, leave your comment at the comment section below for me to know. Maybe if you have a Speedy or a Louis Vuitton with the lock, you can also try to wear it like me. If it's, you can try this one too. I like it. It's not that bad. So that's for today. I would say thank you for watching. Leave your comment at the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, give a thumb up. I will see you in my next one.